Okay, more crap. This time one of those cheap little square radio efforts that were everywhere 10 years ago. This one's branded Cotek. I think they were supposed to look like, you know, the first DAB radios to come out, they were in nice little square boxes. This is not as fancy as that, it's just a FM AM set. Anyway, this one came straight out of a bin in work. It was in the wee skip in work. Wee skips are always good for a little squint, you never know what you might find. Generally, though, just crap like this. However, let's figure out why it was in the skip. So, famous bench power supply. And 1.6 volts, so we'll give it 6 volts. Center pin is positive on this one, so no panics. Will it work? Will it work? Maybe it will work. Maybe it will. You can see it lights up anyway. You can see it lights up, the display comes on. No sound though. No sound at all. Nothing. Not even a crackle. Right, we get the back off, or get it out, or whatever way it works. Okay, so we're apart. And stuff like this isn't really worth taking apart. It was in the bin for a reason. So there we are. Ribbon connectors with hot melt glue all over them. Nice. I think this, I'll take that screw off, this comes off. Yeah. You should have left it in the bin. Hold on. Aha. Oh, there's more sound. Ah, yes. Yes, made in China. With pride. With pride. Made in China with pride. Right. Aha. Sound output chip. A TDA 2822M. You look that up. First things first. Start with the simple crap first. Check the speaker. You never know your luck. Sometimes, just now and again, you get something handy. Boo. And as we can hear, it is working. So there's a 1000 microfarad cap there beside the output chip, and I have a feeling that was coupling the speaker, so we can check that. I'll get the board out. I'll pause it for that. That'll be far too boring. Looked up the pin out for the TDA output chip, so I'm just going to check to see if the power is getting down to it. So pin 2 is supply. So yeah, 6.5 volts. So the power is getting down to it, but it's not doing anything. I'd say it's the chip, to be honest. But we'll have a look at something else here first. Okay, so I didn't want to just write off the chip that quickly, and there's something I should have checked first, because you need to keep these things simple and basic. Start with the simple things. Plug the set of headphones in and you can hear it. So the chip is functioning. And I pulled it in now a couple of times and it sounds like the switch in the jack is acting up. So there you have it. It's the headphone jack that's acting up. I'll try a bit of our magic spray on it. See if it cleans the switch. So yeah, keep it basic. Walk the jack in a few times. There you have it.
I have my treats. Where I'll have a takeaway. I have a packet of crisps once a week. I have a balance in it all, isn't it? Yeah. It's balanced. It's getting into your head what you want to eat to keep alive and healthy. Now, when you see me on stage, I'm like a new woman. I'm like...
137, 10.
Okay, I'll get it back together. Just before I box it up, one of the things I noticed was there's a little LED to backlight the display, a little blue one, and it's blinking on and off. It's burned out, so I'm going to pick out a nice LED for the backlighting in it as well before I put it back together. Okay, so it's all back together. I'll put a nice green LED in it. I had a blue one in it, but I think blue LEDs are everywhere now. They're a bit harsh on the eye. I mean, 20 years ago, blue LED was like, ooh, blue LED, but now they're everywhere, so I thought a green one would be nice. There's a little bit of a hot spot in it, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. So there we have it.
Deemed to be appropriate.
Yes.
Anyway, the moral of the story is keep it simple. I was nearly condemning the chip and it was just the headphone jack. So there you are, another bit of Chinese crap saved in one landfill. Good luck.